Hi dears, hope you are all doing great. Today we're gonna learn English in the kitchen. في المطبخ. The brownies recipe. Let's start. First of all, place chocolate in a microwave safe bowl. Place the bowl in the microwave. Okay, you need sugar, 2 eggs, two or three, room temperature بدرجة حرارة المطبخ. Add the melted chocolate. شوكولا اللي خدمناها شوكولا دائبة melted. Mix together with a hand beater or a mixer. Beat 3 to 4 minutes. Add flour and a cup of toasted nuts or a cup of chocolate chips. Flour هي الطحين الفرينة. Cup of toasted nuts المكسرات المحمصة ولا تستعمل a cup of chocolate chips رقائق الشوكولا. Mix together until all combined. Okay, now bring a bacon tray صينية and line it with a parchment paper ورق الزبدة. Put it in the oven. Sorry, before this step the oven هو الفرن نحطه for decoration. Use chocolate bars or anything you want and put it in the oven and here are the delicious brownies. If you like this recipe, tell me in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you in other videos. Take care.